Hi children, good morning, how are you? Welcome back to your English online classroom. I am Asha, your English teacher. So children, I hope you are enjoying the online classes. And we have completed our fourth lesson. What's the name of the chapter? Yes, how the firefly got its light. In this chapter, we will discuss how the firefly got its light by using the magic spell. And also we will discuss 3 new words from this chapter. What are they? Yes, nectar, lonely and spell. Let's discuss the new words. The first one is nectar. Spelling Nectar. Nectar means sweet juice inside flowers. And the second one, lonely. Lonely. Lonely means sad because he had no friends. In this lesson, our moon was sad because he was lonely at night. So lonely means sad because he had no friends. And the third one is spell. Spelling Spell. Spell means words with the power of magic. So in this lesson we will discuss that our fly got a secret spell. What was that? Yes, fly oh fly, shine oh shine. So spell means words with the power of magic. So children, you should write and study the new words. And we will discuss 3 question answers. I hope you have written the notes neatly. And you should study that one. Okay. Let's discuss the question answers. Question number 1. Why was moon lonely at night? In this lesson, our moon was lonely at night. What's the reason? Yes, our answer. Moon was lonely at night because he came out in the dark when most animals were asleep. So he had no friends. So our moon came out at night because at that time all the other animals were asleep. So he had no friends. Because of this reason our moon was lonely at night. Our second question is, what did fly promise to do for moon? Answer. Fly promised that he would always be moon's friend. He said he would shine brightly to welcome moon at night. That means our fly became the friend of moon. That's why our moon said that he will teach him a magic spell. So our fly promised that he would always be moon's friend. And he said he would shine brightly to welcome moon at night. So the second question, what did fly promise to do for moon? Answer. Fly promised that he would always be moon's friend. He said he would shine brightly to welcome moon at night. Our third question, was moon happy to get a friend? How do you know? What's your opinion, children? Was moon happy to get a friend? Yes, moon was happy to get a friend because he was lonely at night. He smiled and thanked fly for being his friend. Our moon taught our fly a magic spell to start to shine. So after started to shine, our fly became the friend of moon. That's why our moon was so happy to get a friend. So our third question is, was moon happy to get a friend? How do you know? Answer. Yes, moon was happy to get a friend. He smiled and thanked fly for being his friend. So children, one day you should write and study 1 question answer. So like that you should write and study all these 3 question answers in your rough book. And you should attend the test with this video. And we will discuss the grammar topics. What are they? Yes, pronouns, then synonyms, rhyming words and alphabetical order. If you feel any doubt while you're studying, you should contact me. And don't forget to study the new words and the question answers. You should write and study. And I attached one test with this classroom. You should do the test. So we can meet in the next classroom. Children, take care. Bye.